ఇలియానా స్నేహితుడు సినిమా అయితే చేశారు. 3 ఇడియట్స్ రీమేక్ అని తెలుసు. టైటిల్‌లా పెట్టారని. బేసిక్‌గా మీకు తెలుసా స్టార్టింగ్‌లోనే స్నేహితుడు అంటే ఏంటి అసలు? ఆ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి అని?
I was a little confused as to what the meaning was. But when I came to know, they told me the meaning was actually friends. It was so nice. It had that kind of warm feeling. It felt like it was such a nice film to go watch. Like you can take your whole bunch of college friends and go and watch the film. So I thought it was the right name for the film.
Okay.
And I think people are going to enjoy it, especially college kids. They will totally relate to it.
ఓకే. స్పెషల్లీ కాలేజ్ అంటున్నారు. ఫైన్. బేసిక్‌గా అంటే ఫ్యామిలీ ఆడియన్స్ చూడలేరా ఈ సినిమాని?
No. I'm saying college kids can relate to it because there's so much of education of the education system into it.
Okay.
It's like you go to your college, because I was in college at one time. I used to go to college and I used to get so bored because professors like open your books, read this page, tomorrow's a test. It's so boring when you learn like that. So I think college kids have a little more fun, but I think the family audience will enjoy it definitely. I've got me also to watch.
Sure. అండ్ హరీష్ జయరాజ్ గారి మ్యూజిక్ చెప్పగల స్పెషల్ గా జయరాజ్ మ్యూజిక్ గురించి ఆడియో సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్ స్నేహితుడు ఆడియో అయితే ఏమో సాంగ్ అంటే అన్ని బాగున్నాయి, ఏమో చాలా బాగుంది. అండ్ ఇలియానా బెలియానా మీరైతే సూపర్, చాలా బాగా చేశారు.
Thank you.
స్పెషల్లీ మీకోసమే డిజైన్ చేసినట్టుంది సాంగ్ కూడా.
I know. I think it's very flattering. It's a big compliment for me from Shankar ji. So I'm very happy.
మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన సాంగ్ ఏంటి?
Well, obviously that song.
Ileana,
Beliana.
Selfish.
Obviously, I'm very selfish.
అది పక్కన పెట్టేస్తే మిగతా సాంగ్స్.
Oh.
అండ్ ఇలియానా సడన్ గా మీరు తెలుగు తమిళ ప్రేక్షకులకి దగ్గర అయిపోయారు.
Really?
సో దీని మీ ఫీలింగ్ ఏంటి?
It's great. I think with Telugu audience, I've got such a warm welcome for my first film. It's such a nice feeling, from someone who's not here, who doesn't live in Hyderabad, doesn't know the language. People just used to come up to me and they were like, "Oh my God, we love your Devadasu," and then it was, "Oh, we love your Pokri. Oh, you're the Pokri girl." It's such a nice feeling to be accepted. And with Tamil, my first film in Tamil didn't do well.
Okay.
So I stayed away for such a long time, and when Nanban released in Tamil, it was like, gosh, will it do well? Will it do well? I want it to do well. And when people said, it's doing so well, and even Sweetie, for example, Anushka told me that she said she's heard such nice things about the movie, and it felt so nice. It felt so nice that people actually like the film. Okay. So it feels so nice to be accepted in Telugu and Tamil. Yeah. I'm just waiting for Hindi to happen now.
హిందీ.
Yeah.
సో ఫస్ట్ టైం ఒక సినిమా మీది స్నేహితుడు తెలుగులో, నన్బన్ తమిళ్లో. ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఏ హీరోయిన్స్ కూడా అలా ఉండదు మాక్సిమం. అది కూడా స్పెషల్లీ మీ సాంగ్ ఇందులో ఉండడం, ఇవన్నీ చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది.
It's very interesting. It's great. It's like a big advantage for me. I've got a big film that's doing so well in Tamil, and it's releasing in Telugu now. I think it's amazing. For me as an actor, it's a big advantage. So I'm so happy that it's coming out.
Okay. ఇంతమంది హీరోస్ తో వర్క్ చేశారు ఇప్పటి వరకు. మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన?
Oh God, don't ask me that. No. That's a very bad question to ask. I can't choose. I can't.
అంటే అందరు చూసి ఇతనితో మీ ఇద్దరు ర్యాప్ బాగుంది, మీ ఇద్దరు కెమిస్ట్రీ బాగుంది ఈ సినిమాలో మీ ఇద్దరు చూడడానికి చాలా బాగున్నారు అని ఏ సినిమా అనిపించింది ఇప్పటివరకు మీరు చేసిన మూవీస్లో?
I think I've had chemistry with a lot of my heroes. But the most fun I have is with Ravi Teja. We have so much fun. Oh my God, it's just so much fun working with him. So, I mean, I love all my heroes. Yeah, they're very sweet people, but it's hard to choose. So I have a lot of fun with Ravi Teja, but
okay.
Yeah, he's a monkey on the set.
Monkey? Ravi Teja garu vinnaru.
I mean, in a nice way, in a very cute way. I'm saying he's hyper. He's like full of energy and full of comedy, So.
Okay. And శంకర్ గారితో మరోసారి మీకు ఛాన్స్ వస్తే ఎలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు డైరెక్షన్ లో?
Ooh. Maybe I can play a female robo.
చాలా పెద్ద అనుకుంటా ఇది మరి.
Why don't I can do it? Yeah. No. I think I can do it.
Yeah.
Because Shankarji said he's going to come out with Kutti, with Venu Madhav. So I don't know now. Well, I don't know. I think any film with Shankarji, whatever he offers me next, if he does offer me, will be a big opportunity.
ఓకే.
And I've got so much of faith in him as a director. I don't mind anything. I was like, great, whatever you want.
ఎలాంటిదైనా శంకర్ గారి డైరెక్షన్ లో మీరు
I've got a
చేయడానికి
lot of faith in Shankarji.
ఓకే. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ శంకర్ గారు ఇంకే డైరెక్టర్స్ తో మీకు వర్క్?
So many. Who I want to work with again? I'm working with Trivikram again. Lovely. I mean, he's a lovely person. He's like a friend of mine, like a really close friend. And I've got a lot of faith in Trivikram. You know, he's one director I can just blindly trust. I know he comes out with such beautiful characters for his heroines,
Okay.
and gives so much of importance to his heroines. Surendra Reddy gave me such an amazing role in Kick, and Puri is so much fun to work with. You know, he's given me really good roles. I mean, Pokri
Okay.
was a good role. Nenu Narakshasi was a good role for me. I still think that it was such a performance-oriented role.
సో ఆల్రెడీ మీరు వర్క్ చేసిన డైరెక్టర్స్ గురించి చెప్తున్నారు, బట్ మీరు తెలుగు వచ్చి అర్థమవుతుంది కాబట్టి తెలుగు సినిమాలు చూస్తూనే ఉంటారు అనుకుంటా, రైట్? ఈ డైరెక్టర్ తో వర్క్ చేస్తే నాకు ఛాన్స్ వస్తే బాగుండు అని ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ డైరెక్టర్ వర్కింగ్ స్టైల్ అని నచ్చి తనతో వర్క్ చేస్తే బాగుండు అనిపించింది?
I like Krish's work a lot.
ఓ క్రిష్.
Krish is, you know, I really like his work a lot. And I was hoping we were supposed to do a film together, but it didn't work out because I don't have any dates for the film. And it was so upsetting. He was so upset. He's like, I'm so sad we're not doing the film together. And you know, it was really sad because I would really like to work with him.
ఓకే.
So maybe, Krish, if you're watching this, I'd really like to do a film maybe later.
ఓకే. సో అలా మిస్ అయింది ఒక సినిమా. ఇంకా అలాంటివి అంటే మీకు నచ్చిన క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీకు డేట్స్ లేకుండా మిస్ అయిపోయి అలాంటివి ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? అరే ఈ సినిమా నాకు వచ్చింది బట్ నేను మిస్ అయ్యాను అని ఫీల్ అయిన సినిమా?
No.
No.
No. I don't like to live in regrets.
Okay.
I like believing in the future and believing in something better that will come for me. So I don't like to live negatively. Like, oh, I wish I did that.
బ్యూటిఫుల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ అన్ని చేశారు మీరు ఇప్పటి వరకు. ఇంకా చేయాలనిపిస్తుంది ఏదైనా క్యారెక్టర్స్?
You know, it's so beautiful that I've got so many different characters. And in fact, even the film that I'm doing in Hindi is such a different character altogether. So I think like Trivikram's film, even now, in the beginning of the film, I mean, you're going to see, the first shot you're going to see of me is going to be a big surprise.
ఓకే.
So I think that, you know, people are really gonna get to see a really different me. I mean, they're seeing a different me in Snehitharu for sure. I'm a medical student, and like, you know, I mean, I've got this Hindi film coming out, I've got Vikram's film coming out, and they're such different characters. It's beautiful that I get to play different characters. I don't even think like, oh, you know, I think I need to play this. I think my characters are creative enough. They come up with such lovely characters for me.
సో స్నేహితుడిలో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్ హీరో హీరోయిన్స్ ఉన్న మీ ఫాదర్ క్యారెక్టర్, ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ గురించి?
Satyaraj.
సత్యరాజ్.
Wow. I honestly think he was the most difficult character. Because Boman Irani did so amazingly good. I remember when I watched him in the original, I was like, wow. I said, that's Boman Irani, unbelievable. So I was really curious to see. I was like, you know, who's going to play my father in this role? And when I saw Satyaraj for the first time, I was like, my God, you know, he really does look like Virus. And when I saw him perform, you know, he had that thing in him that was really needed for Virus's character.
ఓకే.
So I think he was the perfect choice for it. He did such a good, brilliant job for the film. And you know, he is all. I think he's done so amazingly well.
Okay.
In fact, I barely recognized him when I saw him for the audio function. He looks so different, you know, without his makeup. So I think he's done amazingly well.
ఓకే. ఇంకే క్యారెక్టర్స్ నచ్చాయి ఈ స్నేహితుడు మూవీలో మీకు?
I think everybody's character, like, you know, Jeeva's character, for example, is so cute. He's so innocent in one way, and like, you know, emotional also. And Shriram's character, I mean, I'm so used to calling him Shrikant, but you all call him Shriram here. So his character also, like, you know, I mean, he's trying to be a little sensible, but at the same time, he doesn't know what to do. And they've both played their characters so well, both of them being heroes, you know, as alone heroes, solo heroes themselves. You know, come down and play a film like this. And I think they've done really well. Okay. Even my sister, the girl who played my sister, is really, really nice. Yeah, she was sweet.
సో ఫైనలీ ఇంత భారీ బడ్జెట్తో చాలా డేర్ చేసి 3 Idiots అనే బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ సినిమాని తెలుగులో తమిళ్లో సేమ్ టైంలో రిలీజ్ చేశారు. స్నేహితుడు తెలుగులో అండ్ నంబన్ తమిళ్లో. సో తమిళ్లో సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్. ఈ సినిమా ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ గురించి, ఇంత భారీ బడ్జెట్తో సినిమా తీశారు.
Yeah, I mean, Kiranji used to always be on the set, like from Gemini Productions. He used to always be on the set, and I used to always see him little worried, little bit stressed. I said, "What happened, Kiranji? Why are you stressed?" And he said, "No, no, I want this film to release. I want this film to." When I met him for the Snehitadu function, and he was so happy. He's like, "Oh my God, film is a super hit in Tamil." I'm so happy. And he said, I really wanted to be a super hit even in Telugu. And he was, you could really see how happy he was. He's done, I think the producers for this film, Gemini Production, is, the Gemini Circuit production is, I was shocked. I was really shocked at the sets that they came up with for the song, especially for the Ilyana Veliana song. You have to see the set. It is beautiful. It doesn't look like a set. I mean, you will actually think that we went to some place in Persia or something and shot, you know, in this big palace or something like that. It's beautiful.
Okay.
There was this one door, I still remember, we shot next to this big door, and it was like, what, 10 feet high or something. It was such a big door. It was beautifully done. The direction, the sets, unbelievable.
ఓకే సో చాలా ఈగర్గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నట్టున్నారు. వెరీ అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్.
Thanks so much.
సో 3 Idiots రీమేక్ తమిళ్లో నన్బన్ పేరుతో సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్ అయింది. సేమ్ వే తెలుగులో కూడా సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్ అయింది ఇలియానా. ఎలా ఉంది?
Unbelievable, unbelievable. It's like a bumper offer for me. I got 2 big hits in Tamil and Telugu. I can't ask for anything better. I think I really need to thank Shankarji, Kiranji for this, and I'm so happy that I was a part of this film.
Okay. And once again, congratulations.
Thank you.
And all the best.
Thanks so much.